हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम लोग जा रहे हैं देखने के लिए इकोनॉमिक्स के टॉप 10 क्वेश्चंस जो कि अलग अलग वनडे एग्जामिनेशन में आए हुए हैं। चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। पहले क्वेश्चन को देख करके आप ट्राई करेंगे उसका आंसर देने का। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स? ट्राई टू आंसर इट। देयर इज अ फोर ऑप्शंस गिवन, चूज एनी वन। हु इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ नेशन? द आंसर इज, let's see the answer. The answer is 4, Adam Smith. Adam Smith is the best known for two classical works, The Theory of the Moral Sentiment, 1759, and An Inquiry into the Nature and the Causes of the Wealth of the Nation, 1776. The latter, usually abbreviated as The Wealth of Nation, is considered high magnum opus and the first modern work of economics. Smith is cited as the father of modern economics and is still among the most influential thinker in the field of economics today. Okay, let's see the second question. Try to answer it. The question is, consider the market of new two-wheelers. If the price of the steel in increasing, then the equilibrium price of the new two-wheelers will, and the equilibrium of the क्वांटिटी will डैश। आंसर बताइए इसका क्या हो सकता है। तो इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 3। ऑप्शन 3, पहले इंक्रीज होगा देन डिक्रीज। ओके, चलिए थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? एज पर द मैकवीज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक्स, the standard of living of the country depends on the country's number one, government policies, number two, nominal wages, number three, average wages, or number four, ability to produce goods and the service. Try to answer it. The correct answer is option number 4, ability to produce goods and the service. Okay, let's read some explanation about that. When a Giorgio Macchio is in his Principle of Economics outlined 10 principles of economics. The eighth principle states that a country's standards of living depends on its ability to produce goods and the services. Countries whose workers produce a large quantity of goods and the service per unit of the time enjoy a high standard of living. Similarly, as a nation's productivity grows, so does its average income. Okay, we have seen the explanation of the question number 3. Now we are going to read the question number 4. The question number 4 is, what effect will decrease demands and increase in the supply have a equilibrium price? The first option, equilibrium price will fall. Second, equilibrium price will rise. Third, equilibrium price will constant. For sometimes price will rise and sometimes it will fall. Try to answer it. The answer of this question is option 1, equilibrium price will fall. Let's see the explanation. When a market is in equilibrium, the price of a goods or a service tends to stay same. Equilibrium is the price at which the quantity demanded by the consumers is equal to the quantity that's supplied by the supplier. An increase in the demand causes the equilibrium price to rise. A decrease in the demand causes the equilibrium price fall. An increase in the supply causes the equilibrium price to fall, while decrease in the supply causes the equilibrium price to rise. We have seen the explanation. Let's try to do the question number 5. Let's see the question number 5. A dash is not considered by the prior work. Answers. Let's see the option. The option number 1, joint virtue. Number 2, franchise. Number 3, strategic alliance. Number 4, greenfield project. Let's try to answer it. The answer of this question is option 4, greenfield project. Let's see the explanation. A greenfield project is one which is not constrained by the prior work. It is constructing on the unused lands where there is no need to remodel or demolish an existing structure, such as project or often coveted by the engineers. Some examples of the greenfield projects are in new factories, power plants, or airports which are built for the scratch. Those facilities which are modified, ungraded, are called brownfield projects. Let's see the question number 6. Which theory of economics process that countries exports what they can most efficiently and plentifully produce? Option 1, Solo Standard model. Number 2, Hatches Olhin model. Number 3, Input Output model. Number 4, Carnot competition. Try to answer it. The answer of this question is option number 2. Option number 2, Hencher's only Olin model. Let's see the explanation. The Hatches-Olin model is a theory in economics that processes the countries export that they can most efficiently and plentifully produce, also referred to as a HO model or 2 into 2 into 2 model. It is used to evaluate trade and more specifically the equilibrium of the trade between the two countries that have the varying specialties and the natural resources. Let's see the question number 7. Which theory is used to make the long run prediction about the exchanges rate in a flexible exchanges rate system? Number 1, purchasing power parties theory. Number 2, balance of the payment theory. Interest. Number 3, interest rate approach. Number 4, portfolio balance approach. The answer is of this question is number 1, purchasing power parity theory. Let's see the explanation. The purchasing power parity, that is जिसे हम लोग शॉर्ट में हम लोग कहते हैं ट्रिपल पी पीपीपी theory is used to make the long run prediction about the exchange rate in the flexible exchange rate system. According to the theory, as long as there is no barriers to trade like tariffs and the quotas, quantitative limited on import, exchange rate should eventually adjust so that the same product cost the same whether measured in the rupees in India or a dollar in the USA, yen in Japan, and so on. Experts expects for the difference in the transportation. Let's see the question number 8. Which of the following business group is associated to Carbondum Universal Limited? This is short में हम लोग CUM कहते हैं. One of the largest abrasive manufacturing companies in India. Which of the following business group? Tell me the name of the group. The answer of this question is option number 4. Option number 4. Murugappa Group. Let's see the explanation. Carbondrum Universal Limited, जिसे हम लोग शॉर्ट में CUMI कहते हैं, is a part of the Moragappa Group, one of the India's leading businessman conglomerates. It is the leading manufacturing and developer of the abrasives, ceramics, refractories, aluminum oxide grains, machine tools, polymers, adhesives, and electrominerals in India. CUMI is the only abrasive manufacturer with the diversifications. Let's see the question number 9. Which of the following um, brings the out an annual publication titled Nation Account Statics containing gross domestic products, fixed capital formation, and the other microeconomic aggregates? Try to answer it. Here is the 4 options. The answer of this question is option number 2. Option number 2. द सेंट्रल स्टैटिक ऑफिस है जिसे हम लोग शॉर्ट में CSO भी कहते हैं. लेट्स सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन. द नेशनल अकाउंट्स है division of the Central Static Office CSO brings out an annual publication titled National Account Statics. It contains the statistical related to gross domestic product, government and the private final consumption expenditures, fixed capital formation, and the other microeconomics aggregates. Let's see the question number 10. Dash is the final value of all the finished goods and the services produced within a country's border in a specific time period. They are known as, let's see the question 4. All are the 4 options are very close to each other. Try to answer it properly. The answer of this question is option number 3. Option number 3. Gross domestic product. लेट्स सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन. ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट जिसे हम लोग शॉर्ट में GDP भी कहते हैं इज द टोटल मॉनेटरी और मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द फिनिश्ड गुड्स एंड द सर्विस produced within a country's border in a specific time period as a board measures of overall domestic production. It functions as a comprehensive scorecard of the country's economic health. These are all the 10 previous year questions of economics. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और आने वाले ऐसे वीडियो के लिए आप वेट करें. थैंक यू सो मच इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए. धन्यवाद.